There's a buzz about it, an energy in the morning air, and everyone feels it. Hitting the road before the sun comes up, knowing that you've got miles to go. So you gear up, you layer up, you fuel up, and you hit the soil. Sometimes you're on the birds quick, sometimes you're just building character. But you know you're in it together.
Be a tough shot. Walk in there, Tom.
These are the moments that stick with you for good. Today it's a hunt, tomorrow it's a cook, but it's always time. Time together. I remember as a kid walking fields upon fields, grass as tall as me, as frustrated, tired, ready to quit. And then there's that moment that makes it all worth it. A moment to be proud of. But the older I get, the more I realize that it was never about a moment. It was about the hunt. It's about the process. It's about the time. And so we do this again and again, generation to generation, as our connection to our family and to the world around us. And whether it's kicking a soccer ball, playing a tune on the guitar, or cooking up some birds, I'm thankful for these moments. The health of my family, the long walks filled with anticipation, the hopes that a bird will rise. And for this cherished time spent with my dad, and this tradition passed down for generations. I'm thankful that we can share a cook, share a meal, share a laugh. Maybe next time you'll get a bird too. And share life.